So hello everyone! We are here at the Venice Residences here at McKinley Hill. And kasama ko ngayon si Sir Sean. Thank you sir sa pagpayag na mag-interview today. And congratulations sir and thank you for trusting me as your property specialist and Mega World RFO. So ngayon sir, just a quick question lang. Yung unit po na nabili nyo here sa McKinley Hill is for investment po ba or personal use sir?
For personal use po talaga to.
Ay, bakit po itong unit na to yung napili nyo and bakit po kay Mega World RFO?
Well, nagustuhan ko talaga yung unit na to kasi ako mahilig ako sa corner unit. And ako na, gusto ko yung location niya, McKinley, you know, for me kasi parang nasa center siya. So I can go anywhere, sa work, sa QC, or sa school. So parang it's very convenient for me. And napili ko talaga Mega World. I mean, kami ng parents ko, trusted kasi talaga. And you know, it's